Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another review. So I'm not a YouTuber but a dreamer, let's call a dreamer. Sometimes problems happen and I'm referred to when I shoot a very long project, multiple clips, and when I pass them to my Mac or my Windows to edit the video, some of them, one or two, are broken or I can't reproduce them. I can edit the video, and somehow the project is already done. I have to say in the video that I lost the footage, or I have to make some kind of magic to avoid that clips. And today we're gonna review the app called 4DDIG Video Repair. So, as the name suggests, 4DDIG Video Repair is an AI-powered app specialized in repair video files or broken video files. This app supposedly can repair a video, a clip, an MP4 file, a MOV file, an MKB file that you can no longer edit, you can no longer produce on your computer, but if you have the file, this app can repair it for you. So, among other things, like the video repair, of course, that I already mentioned, this app can also do other cool things like colorize some black and white videos, can also colorize some black and white pictures, can also repair some pictures, can also improve quality in videos and pictures, and can also repair damaged files and audio files as well. So as you can see, this app, it's not only for videos, it's a very wide app, but today we're gonna focus only on the MP4 or on the video repair. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to download the app on the website, how to install it. It's pretty much straightforward like any software. And then I have a couple of clips, broken clips. We're gonna test them and see if this app can really repair them, and gives you my feeling, my overall opinion of the 4DDIG video repair. So let's get some broken files. Let's install the app. Normally I use the app on all the apps on my MacBook, but they send me the pro version, or not the pro version, a 3-month version to install just for demonstration purpose for Windows. So today I'm gonna demonstrate the app on Windows. So basically this app is also compatible for Windows and Mac, of course. So let's get started. So here it's pretty simple. So you just need to click on the link on the description below, and basically you're going to be redirected to this homepage right here. And as you can see, this 4DDIG video repair is an AI powered app that can repair any corrupted or unplayable videos. So this app can repair unplayable, corrupted, choppy, jerky, grainy, distorted, fuzzy, etc. All kinds of problems in a clip of video. This, of course, as I said earlier, is an AI-powered app that can also take advantage of that AI power to enhance the video quality. And I earlier said 4K, but this I was wrongly. This app can also enhance video quality up to 8K resolution, and of course can restore and colorize black and white videos with AI technology as well. It can work, of course, with wide range of storage media, including SD cards, USB flash drives, HDDs, and it's efficiently with all kinds of extensions. Extensions, I mean multiple formats as MP4, AVI, MMOV, MKV, and so on. So it basically can repair any type of video file format. On the bottom you have some examples of what this app can really do. So if you have a video with no sound, if you have a video playback error, if you have a video and audio out of sync, this app also can correct that. If you have parts of the video stuck or freezing, if you have the error that the video cannot be played, and so on. If you wanna colorize or enhance the video up to 8K, as I said earlier, and so on. So you should also take a look at the homepage to know more about the app as well. So if you want to buy the app, of course it's a paid app, a lifetime license, I believe is the best value. The time I shoot this video, it takes you $79.95. If you want to try 1 month, $35.95, and if you want to buy 1 year, $65.95. But for the price, I believe $79.95 for a lifetime license, that can save you many times. I believe that's a value well paid if the app really works, that we're gonna test. So back to the home page, we just need to click on free download, and the app we start downloading. After the app is downloaded, you just need to install them. Wait a couple seconds to the app to install correctly. As I said earlier, I'm doing this in Windows, but the app is compatible with macOS as well. And once it installed, it's just a matter of open the app and start doing some repairs. Okay, and I already installed my 3 month license, so I'm currently working on a pro version. So basically you have 5 options on the left. The first one is the one that we're gonna focus today, the video repair, but you also get the file repair, you also get photo repair, you have one, it's more repair tools, just a couple tools to repair other files, and you also get the AI enhancer, which allow you to upscale videos, photo enhancer, and also video colorizer, other things that I already spoke about. So I don't have a lot of broken video files, because normally if they are broken I just delete them, but I was digging in my database and I managed to find 3 MP4 broken files. So I'm gonna try on this. They in fact send me some broken files to test, but I want to test in my own files to kind of give this review a proper test, because I don't want to show you fake results. So I have in fact 3 broken MP4 files that I found in my clips. So returning to the review, in the video repair tab file you have this little button called add videos. You just need to click on add videos, and of course you're gonna need to browse into your USB file, USB stick. So as you can see, I have 3 random MP4 files. Just wait a couple seconds to kind of load the files, and as you can see, we don't have any preview clips, we don't have any informations about the time and the formats of the video. And just to kind of prove that the video does not play at all, if you try to open one of them, as you can see, cannot open the file. One of them, another one, cannot play as well. So the files are in fact broken. So basically we can repair one by one, or in the bottom right, repair all. We also have this advanced repair mode. If you select this option, the app will ask you for a file shooted at the same time, with the same camera, with the same specs, to kind of go there and have a look into the file and try to recover some information to put into the broken file. So I'm not gonna use it, just gonna hit repair them all. Of course we're gonna need to wait a couple seconds, and let's see if it works. So just, I don't know, 10-20 seconds later, the first clip is repaired, and I can already see a preview of the file, so at least a little image. So if I hit preview, yes, it works. It really do the work. So as you can see, the file does preview. So basically the video is repaired, and it now works on the second clip as well. Yeah, let's wait until the end. So, and fast forward a little bit, as you can see, we now have preview on the 3 files. So if I hit preview on the latest one, it also works. As you can see, it works all the way through the 10 seconds preview, or the 10 seconds duration, which I believe is the correct duration of the video, because I don't know anything about the clip, but I believe it is the correct time. And the second one is just the CD spinning. It's my PlayStation 2 Blue that I do a couple of years ago, 13 seconds, which I believe is correct as well. So yeah, I have to be honest, it really works. So now you're gonna need to click on save all, and if you want to save it for your flash drive, you're gonna need select folder and wait for the files to be saved. And if you open the file, or if you open the folder, you're gonna see files with repaired name in the end of the file. And if you try to open a file, it should open, as you can see, without any problem. So yeah, basically the app do the job, do it well, do it really fast. I think, of course, we are talking about 10, 20, 15 seconds clips, but if we think that it takes almost the same time of the clip to do the repair, so if we repair a 5 minutes clip, it takes about 5 minutes to repair the clip. I believe it's still quite fast. So yeah, I'm impressed. So as for the video repair part, as you can see, it's quite or is straightforward. It's really 3-step process. So select the video, import the video, and save the repaired video. It's really straightforward. It's fast and it works. So if you have important clips that you need to repair from your vacations, from your trips, from your family, from your child, from projects like things that I do that I need to put out to post on YouTube, I believe $79.95. It's it's money well spent, but of course it's up to you. But in my honest opinion, it's not every day that you get an app special. It's powered by AI as well that do the job well done. Of course, you still have other things to explore, like the file repair. In file repair, you can also repair other types of files, and if it works, which I believe it will, like the video repair, it's also very nice to repair Excel files, Word files, RAR files, zip files, and of course, I believe the photo repair is also very important. Imagine that you are on trip, that you take, among other things, a couple cool pictures that in the end you take home and pass it to your computer, and the pictures are not so good. You can enhance it with AI and have some cool pictures to print to make a frame, and of course upscale some videos to up to 8K for a presentation, for a project, even for YouTube, because sometimes things doesn't came with the quality that we desire. So overall the app is quite complete. This video I just covered the video repair, which is the most important feature, or I believe is the most important feature of this app, but you can also discover the other things in this app. But anyway, if you want to give it a shot, you want to try the app, I leave the link in the description below. Of course, if you have any doubts about anything that I don't cover here on this video, feel free to reach me in the comments or just email me. Thanks to TenorShare for letting me try this app for the EIG video repair. And I believe that's all for today. So thanks for watching. I hope I can see you in the next one.